Hello viewers, my name is Vasudev. Today we are going to see how to install the Checkpoint multi-domain management server, and we will try to form the MDS cluster. And for this one, first of all we need to go to Checkpoint website, or you can go to Google and then Checkpoint or 81.20, which is the current image. Just simply click the download. So you will find the ISO file, you just click the download. The installation will start immediately, but I have already downloaded the file. Then one more thing that we need to consider, that is how many resources that we are supposed to allocate for the machine. Checkpoint or 81.20 release notes. So okay, open server hardware requirements. So this is the one that we need to consider, that is if you want to install a single instance of MDS, that means as a open server, that means over a hypervisor, you need 8 CPU cores and as well as 32 GB of RAM. And what are the storage requirement? So for MDS, minimum disk space required is 100 GB and recommended free disk space is 1 TB. Since it is a lab environment, I am not going to do much in this one, so I am going to use the minimum resources. So let us minimize this and open the VMware workstation, and let's create a virtual machine and go with the custom. And in the custom installation procedure, you need to provide the virtual machine hardware compatibility. Basically this hardware compatibility tell you maximum compute that you can allocate for a machine. Okay, just I'm giving it with the latest version. And installer disk image file, I already downloaded it and kept it here, so I'm just browsing the ISO file. I'm clicking the next. The install location for the file, that is cpmdes a okay. Next, how many processors that I would like to allocate? 8 processors. Next, memory 32 GB. Next, currently I do not want to use any network connection. Next, IO controller, that's fine. Select disk type SATA. Next, and try to ensure you should provide the SATA instead of a NVMe, because when I try to install using the NVMe disk type, the installation was not proceeded. So I guess some sort of driver issue is available with the NVMe based disks for the Checkpoint ISO. So I wish to create a new disk, and the space I would like to allocate is 250 GB. Anyhow, I am not allocating the disks complete disk space now. So let's proceed. Name, okay. Customize hardware. Here I am going to allocate the virtualized option for the CPU, and as well as I am going to allocate the one network adapter. Okay, it's good. Custom segment, VMnet 11 host only. I think this should do the job. Okay. Connected, power on. So install Gaia on the system. So meanwhile, let me create one more instance. CPMDS-B. Okay, next 8 CPUs, 32 GB RAM, no network connection, SATA, $250, B, virtualization support for the CPU and as well as a network adapter. Network adapter is of VMware 11. Simply close it and finish it. Do you wish to proceed with the installation? Okay. That is keyboard type US and try to provide 100 GB. Let 55 GB only. System rule. Okay. So hidden password. Provide the hidden password. Maintenance mode user. So IP address, that is 11.150. I do not want to provide the gateway. Okay. Or do you wish to continue? Yes. Installation is going on. Okay. Yes. Provide the maintenance mode password. Even I don't know why it is being used, so let's see. Okay. Just press the enter here, so that system will reboot. So press enter, so that system will boot into the Gaia OS. So the username is admin, password is admin at 123. So show interfaces ETH0. The IP address is visible here. Okay, it's good. So let's try to access 2.168.11.150. Okay, that's fine. I wish to continue. Admin at 123. Okay, Gaia first time configuration wizard. Next, continue with the R81.20 configuration, and I do not want to import existing snapshot. Next, the IP address, okay, is 150. So what is the second machine IP? First machine IP is all I know, it's 150. It's 151. The second one machine IP. Okay, that means it's fine. It's 150, and click next. The host name for the machine is CPMDS A. Next, time is manually set. Next, now here if I want to configure this particular machine as a security gateway or a security management device, then I have to go with this one. Otherwise, if I want to proceed with the multi-domain management server, I need to click as MDS. Next, this is a primary multi-domain server since it is the first machine in this domain. Next, so leading interface is ETH0. Obviously, anybody can access this particular host. I do not want to define any new administrator. Finish. So it will start the installation process. Okay, meanwhile, let's open my second box. Show details. I wish to continue. Admin. It will take me to the Gaia first initial configuration wizard. Next, I'm just continuing with the configuration. Next, CPMDS B. Next, it's happening. Multi-domain server. Next, secondary MDS. Next, ETH0. Next, okay. Secure internal communication activation key. You can give any value, but it should match with the primary one. It's good. Next, and finish. I'll let the first one complete, then I'll start installing the second one. It's good. And let's proceed with the second one. So yes, so the configuration is completed successfully for the second box also. So on the both boxes I am able to see the Gaia admin interface, okay. So I have built a machine where I can install the checkpoint smart console. Ideally I should download it from here. I don't know why it is simply logging me out. Ideally we should download the checkpoint smart console from here and install. From there we can access the particular machine only. Okay, when I'm clicking the network interfaces, simply it is just throwing me out. So I really don't know why it is doing that. Okay, network access, host access, user management. Okay, so it's unlicensed so far. That's good. Yep. Let's open the smart console. So let's go and new add one more multi-domain server here, that is CP MDS B IP address 192.168.11.151 and uninitialized. Okay, Gaia OS version R81.20. I am going to install on the open server, not on the smart one hardware. Let's connect. So it is simply asking me the secure internal communication key. So I have to provide the same key. Trust established. and simply clicking it as OK. So do you want to publish it now? Yes, publish it now. PACP MDSB is initializing. It is complete. So full sync with PRB. The database synchronization is in progress. Synchronization completed successfully. Okay, that's good. Now our MDS is up and running. So here I am going to stop the video. Thank you for watching.